Let me now introducing the Dietrich dishwasher. First programs from here is a 27 minutes, is a fast washing. Okay, second program is just for the glass washing, especially for the wine, champagne glass, this kind of stuff. Third program called Eco. The Eco is saving energy wash for the general wash. So fourth program is the ICS control, which is you can put all the plates and everything, utensil, everything go inside. He will show you maximum time 3.2, means 3 hours 20 minutes. But once he run the machines, he will determine the dirtiness, then he will reduce the time by itself, calculate by itself, because he won't run 100% 3 hours and 20 minutes. Number 5 program is intensive wash. When you have a very dirt products, you can use this function program to wash. The maximum washing time will be 3 hours. So coming to, you have to see the red color sign. First one is the salt. This indicator is putting the salt inside on the machine. But in Malaysia, we no need to use salt, because when using salt, this system is for overseas. Because overseas water, they have a water hardness and minerals. Salt is neutralize the things. So in Malaysia, we no need to use. So for the second red color is the rinse aid indicator. We need to put in the finished brand rinse aid. This rinse aid is helping process, it will be more smoothness and more dry. Come to the first button. This button is a half load button. When you're washing into the half load system, you want to put a few plates, but every program is using more than an hour. But I putting half load, the timing will be chopped into the half. The second button is a extra option dry. After you're drying everything, when you close the door, after finish, you will pop up the door. He will release the warm hot air. He will avoid the condensation internally. Okay, and then he also helping for the utensil more dry. Third button is a program plus. Every single program when you selected over here, you feel that your utensil is not enough time to wash because it's very dirty, you want to add on timing, so you can plus add on the time 51 minutes extra. If you don't want, you just close it. So this is the delay off time. Delay off and delay on. Delay on means you want to 1 hour or 2 hours later to turn it on the machine by itself, also can. Or either you no need to turn it off by itself. After your programming everything setting, you just only need to close the door. When you close the door already, you will see the red light on the bottom. The red light on the bottom is showing you is still on the process running. When the red light is not on the bottom anymore, means the dishwasher has already been done, finished washing and drying already. This is the rinse aid compartment to put in the water, blue color water of the rinse aid. You can turn it, open it. So this is the area to put the rinse aid. The rinse aid you need to pour until the red color light are gone off. Then you will be fully refilled. Once the red color light indicator light on, you need to refill again. So come to the second area. This is the detergent compartments. Okay, on detergent compartments, you can put in finished brand detergent tablets or powder. But tablet is more easier to put in because one tablet only. Because powder, you need to measure how many cups of the powder you need to put in. So of course tablet is more easier, no need to measure because one tablet is already enough in fully washed whole utensil items. So when you use tablet at times, remember over here, if you want to use tablet, you will see this sign. This sign you need to be turned on by pressing 2 buttons together. Yeah, it will be sign off. The sign will be turned on like this. So you will be only using the tablets. If you're using without the tablets, you need to turn off the light by itself. Also pressing 2 buttons together. This one is a culinary basket. Okay, you're placing all the culinary forks, pan, and chopstick. Everything is putting over here on this culinary basket. Okay, so over here you will be can be adjustable the area. So you just remove like this on the side. You will have a big plate, you can remove, or either you want to put more on small plate, you can adjust back, or you want to put the wok, everything also always the big item, wok, big plate, everything is on the bottom area. When you're putting all the plates, woks, everything, you need to make sure the water will go through in between, must have a gap. On the top area, this is putting all the small plates item or either champagne glass. The legs will be putting on the top. So this is the holder of the champagne glass, everything. It depends on the utensil. If you have a small utensil, you can accumulate on the top, you will always. Over this dishwasher, he got 3 water spray arm. This is the first water spray arm, this is second water spray arm, third water spray arm on the top. Okay, so the water will flow on the top from here. Here the water will flow up and down. This is from the bottom to the up. This is a area to putting the salt, but in Malaysia, as I mentioned before, we no need to put any salt. Okay, this area compartment need to be maintained. So this is a basket rubbing, basket filter. So this filter all the dirt thing or either the rice, any balanced rice, anything rubbish thing will be captured over this filter. So you need to take out to wash this, and also this thing always to be cleansed. Okay, so on the bottom here, if you saw a little bit food, you need to make sure all the area over here is clean. Okay, so after you clean already, you need to put back inside. So this is just everyone like this, just turn it. So when you're putting everything done, you need to make sure it didn't have any blocking. Make sure this thing is always can be turning before you start the machine. After putting detergent, just close the door. It will automatically run by itself. Thank you. We will see you on the next tutorial.